Good morning, aspirants. Welcome to Prince Civil Services YouTube channel. In this series of geography, we are starting cartography. UPSC in UPSC exam, cartography is most important section in which every year almost 2 to 3 questions and sometimes 5 questions has been asked, and it's simultaneously important for along with UPSC. It's important for RPSC too. So we are starting with Asian physiography. This is the map of Asia. It's the political map, but in which we are starting the physiography so that you can understand how Asian physiography is designed. And it's the blank map. We are starting from the Pamir note. Let me tell you what is note and how it works, how it look like. Note is the word which is used for convergence of many mountain ranges. In Asia, we have the Pamir note, which is considered to be world's largest note, and we are starting from the Pamir note. So let's see where it is. Pamir note is extended into 4 countries. It's basically Indian occupied, Pakistan occupied Kashmir, it's Tajikistan, Afghanistan, and China. This is the particular location of Pamir note. It's basically extended in 4 countries in the north from Tajikistan to Afghanistan, Pakistan, and China, and somewhere in India. But majorly it's in 4 countries. So in this particular video, we are going to talk about its eastern side mountains. Its east side mountains from Pamir Note. And there are many mountain ranges which are coming out to the western side. But in this video, we are talking about only eastern side. So I have already drawn these mountain ranges to avoid the long duration of this video. So this is the Pamir Note and its western side. So let's start one by one. In Atlas, it's given so congested, so it's very difficult to understand. So now we can understand in much more easier way. This is the Pamir Note, as you can see, and a mountain range which is coming from south to it and moving to eastward direction. This is our Himalaya. And in the far east area, when it comes to southern portion, this is in the Myanmar, it's known as Arakan Yoma. It's Arakan Yoma. And after that, the second range is, this is Karakoram. It's Karakoram, and the another range from south of it is Kailash. Right, so till the time we have talked about 3 ranges: Himalaya, Karakoram, and Kailash. Kailash and Karakoram are part of Trans Himalaya. And after that, the pink color range is, this is the range known as Kunlun range. This is the world's 5th longest range in terms of length, and it's extended from Pamir Note to the mid of or the central China. Right, and moving forward, the green color are the ranges which are in China. The ranges are shown with the Shan, with the particular word Shan. Right, so moving further, this is the Kunlun range. It's Altun range. This range is Altun range. It's Nan Shan. Moving further, it's Al Shan. Right, and these are in the sequential manner. And in the western side, it's Tien Shan. And in the far eastern side, it's Tian Shan. These are the particular mountain ranges which are coming out from Pamir into different regions, and between them these are the different topographies. We will fill it quite we will fill them after a while, and after that we are going to see some many other ranges in the red color. This is, sorry for the glitch. In the red color, this is Altai Shan. And moving further in the eastern side, it's Mongolian Plateau. Right? And after that, in the north, there are three more ranges. The first is Shan range. It's Yo Yablo Novi range. And in this side, it's the Great Khingan. It's the Great Khingan range. These are the important ranges which are situated in the eastern side of Pamir node. Till the time we have filled, so let me reiterate so you can understand. We have started from the Pamir node. In the eastern side, in the southern eastern side, it's Himalaya, Karakoram, Kailash, then the Kunlun range, and moving eastward, it's the Altun range, and then Nanshan, Alta, then Alashan, and the Tiangshan. These are the important ranges, and after that, it's Altai Shan. In this is the part of Mongolia, China and Mongolian part in the north. And let us fill the another bodies which are situated there. This is the region which is situated between the Tian Shan and Kunlun Shan is Taklamakan Desert. It's the Taklamakan Desert which is situated between the Tian Shan and Kunlun range. And after that, there is another desert which is situated there. This is the Gobi Desert. These are the area which are completely surrounded by mountains. So they are in the rain-fed region. So they converted into cold deserts, right? And after that, moving further, we have another topographies like basins. This is the Jugari Basin. The another topography which is situated there is Tarim Basin. It is the Tarim Basin. And between the Altun, southern portion of the Altun range and the Nanshan, the another basin is Kadam Basin. The another basin is Kadam Basin. And after moving the eastward direction, there is another basin called Sichuan Basin. Right? So till the time we have filled many basins which are situated in the rivers in this region formed by the river banks, right? And there are the another topographies after that. The another region is, this is the region known as Tibet Plateau. Between the Himalayas and the Trans-Himalayan Kunlun range, it's Tibet Plateau. And there is another plateau in this region from the far eastern side of China, and it's known as Yunnan Plateau. Right? And in the last, this is the region sorry, this is the Mongolian region where the Kobdo Plateau is situated between the mountains, and here is the Ulaanbaatar, the capital of Mongolia. These are the topographical sites which are situated in the eastern side of the Pamir Node, and there are two important regions which have been left. So let me also fill them. This is the Great Chinese Basin. Sorry, the Great Chinese Plains, right? And here is the Manchurian Plains. And after that, the Beijing city is situated there. So this is the complete map of the Central Asia and the particular, we can say, eastern side of the Pamir Node. These are the important topographies which I have drawn on this board, right? Many times in many exams in UPSC and RPSC, frequently questions have been asked on the locations on the eastern side, western side, which particular range is situated in which directions. These are the all the ranges which are situated there, starting from Himalaya to the north to the most eastern part, the Manchurian Plains, which are beside the Japan. Right. So let me reiterate for further clarification. This is the Pamir Node and it's the eastern direction. The first is Himalaya. Let me enlarge so you can, so it's clearly visible. The first is Himalaya in the southern portion. Then after the Himalaya, in the northern portion, there is Karakoram and Kailash range, then the Kunlun range. After that, we have the Taklamakan deserts, and this desert is completely surrounded by the mountains. That's why it is in the rain-fed region and converted into a desert. After that, we have Altun Shan, Nan Shan, Alashan, and Tian Shan. These important mountain ranges which are in the eastern side. And after that, we have the Chinese plains, and it's one of the world's most populated region. Then we have in the southern portion Sichuan Basin, and the another is Yunnan Plateau. This plateau has been previously asked in exam, in RPSC exam. Basically, Yunnan is a European country, Greek country, which in Hindi called Yunnan, and the first option was Yunnan itself. Rather, it's in China. Moving further, we have four important basins there: Jugaria Basin, Tarim Basin, and the Kadam Basin and Sichuan Basin. You have to remember all these four names of basins. Then we have two important deserts, Taklamakan Desert and Gobi Desert. We have three plateaus, that Kobdo Plateau, Tibet Plateau, and Yunnan Plateau. And the two important plains in the eastern side, Manchuria Plains. I hope it's visible. Manchuria Plains and Great Chinese Plains. This is the topography of Eastern Asia, or basically the Central Asia, right? So thank you for watching this video. I hope it's useful for your preparation. Thank you.